Day one on the Natchez Trace. We had to delay our trip because I got a concussion playing soccer, which really sucked. Adrien's been a trooper. There he is. Adrien's been a trooper and patient with me. Had to recover. We were originally going to go down and back, but now we are just doing one direction. We're not going to do the full day that we were going to do originally. Just kind of testing and seeing how my head's doing. But I'm going to try to do 30-ish miles today, and then see if we can get back on schedule for the rest. Man, it's nice. It's hot, but it's shady, so that's been nice. Cars, not too bad. But definitely enjoying being out on the bike. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Day 2. How you feeling? Here's day 2. Trees with lots of shade. It's hot, but it's not too bad. Dude, this is nice. day 3. We're out here. It is nice and hot. We're in Mississippi, sadly, because part of the Natchez Trace is closed. We didn't get to ride into Mississippi. We had to take a road detour, which thankfully the hotel we stayed at last night, we just kind of drove around it with Dad. But yeah, kind of bummed that we didn't get to actually ride our bikes into Mississippi. But here we are. It's pretty hot. Tomorrow apparently is supposed to be the hottest day of the year. A big heat wave coming through. So far, the Mississippi section hasn't been nearly as shady. But it should be fun. I'm coming off of the concussion and everything, and yesterday was Adrien's longest ride he's ever done, which is awesome. So we're gonna take it a little chill today. Maybe take it not as far. Because I've heard the Tupelo section get pretty busy with cars, and I just don't want to ride around a bunch of cars, so we might end up taking a support vehicle around Tupelo and just kind of see how it goes. But it's been fun. It's really good. Okay, Adrien's back there chilling. It's a beautiful day. I'm thankful to be riding. Dude, yeah, that's wild. We're gonna get a video from YouTube. Adrien, how do you feel about Tupelo?
It was nice. When those dubas started coming over. I saw that. It's not dubas, it's goobers.
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 The Tennessee Tombigbee Waterway. All right, day 4. We are out here in Mississippi. We're leaving Kosciuszko, headed to Jackson, Mississippi. After yesterday's experience in Tupelo with just lots of cars, I think we are probably just gonna drive or get in Dad's truck and drive around the Jackson section, or at least drive through it in the car, just because Tupelo really sucked yesterday. But so far, beautiful day. It's gonna be the hottest day of the year so far, and then tomorrow should be the hottest day of the year so far then. So hopefully we stay hydrated and have a good time. Woo woo! 10-mile left marker. Super stoked. Today's gonna end up being about 90 on the road. Oh, so stoked. We're down to single digits. Man, just thankful to be able to ride a bike. It's a fun place for sure. Hey. Oh. Woo.
All right. The end.
Yep.
Let's get a picture.